Dear Mr. President, hello from Iceland. I just want to clear one thing up. I think we may have confused Iceland with Greenland. The Vikings did this on purpose. They named Iceland Iceland and Greenland Greenland to trick people. They named it Greenland because nobody wanted to live there, and so people would go there to think it's cool. Well, it is cool, but you know what I mean. And we named it Iceland, so the Mexicans wouldn't swim over. And I know it can be confusing, even for us, because even though Iceland is a little bit green, it's also a little bit ice, so you forget. I'm pretty sure you did not want to buy Greenland. It's just ice and polar bears. And if you think that the lines in Disney World are long, wait until you go to a liquor store in Greenland. But here we have a beautiful woman, and the only lines are in the tanning salon, because we want to be like you. Orange. So yes, just a little misunderstanding, but I hope you will clear this up soon, and thank you. See you soon, Mr. President.